Arduino and Christian.
Alright, enough of that laughing and dancing, but that is my song though. I big up Christopher, you know. I love the wall, you know. The wall right up. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Okay. Hey guys. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, so I'm finally starting my own YouTube channel. Like, I have been thinking about this from maybe early 2018. A little bit. Wait. When did I get engaged? I think it was 2018. Yeah, October. And then right after that, about March, I wanted to start a YouTube channel. And then, you know, because of wedding planner and all this, I actually shot some videos and then they're still sitting on my laptop, unedited, just there. And you know, wedding planning came along, crashed all of that stuff, and then I'm like, I'm going to, like, one of my 2019 New Year's resolution was to start a YouTube channel. But you know, not every resolution you make get, you know, achieved in that year, and it's okay. All right, I'm not going to be putting pressure on myself if I cannot manage it. But here we are. And yeah, I am finally starting my YouTube channel. So I want to welcome everyone here. And yeah, Natnificent. You say cheesy, I say brilliant, darling. Okay? Actually, Natnificent came from my husband. He was the one that came up with that name because I was, you know, at a title page name block. And he said, you know what? You're magnificent. How about Natnificent? Like, it could work. So it's going, okay? So yeah, I want to welcome everyone here. This channel is just basically me being me, doing what I do. If you are a friend of mine, if you have any of my contact, whether on social media or, you know, WhatsApp, you know that I'm on there a lot, videoing, showcasing, chatting, all the things. So I decided, why not just, you know, kick it up a notch and create content, because apparently you discover your passion when you're not really looking. And that is something that I learned this year. I've always asked myself, I wonder what my passion is. I wonder what my calling is. I'm sorry if you're hearing a machine sound outside. I think they're doing some construction work next door. So you might be hearing that. I apologize. And this is the best lighting I could find in my humble abode at this hour of the day. And yeah, so as I was saying, passion. I used to always find myself asking, what am I called to do? I find myself doing so many things, and then at the end of the day, I either stop doing it or I lose interest in doing it because I don't like doing it. And then once I stop looking, once I stop asking myself what my passion is every day, I discovered it because I saw it in the little things that I did every single day, which is maybe posting on WhatsApp status or Insta status all the time. I'm always posting on there, whether it be, you know, me chatting, ranting, venting, having fun at home, anything. I'm just always on there. And then it hit me one day and I'm like, whoa, what if I should be creating videos for what if I should create videos to, you know, build a community out here on the internet? I don't know, but it could be a thing because I enjoy doing it. I do it every day without realizing that I'm doing it, and I'm enjoying it and not realizing that it could actually be a thing. And then I stopped and I said, you know what? this channel has to be launched very soon. Very soon means today, you know. And another thing that I discovered by not looking was basically that I actually really love cooking. Like, I cook, yeah. I love to eat, so I cook, but I actually realized that maybe I could do some sort of business. I live in Japan. Many people, or at least I like to think many people, are familiar with Jamaica, and they want to, you know, try Jamaican food. I have a few friends that are in the business that are Jamaicans living in Japan that, you know, sell Jamaican food, have Jamaican restaurants, all of that stuff. And I'm like, what if I use my talents cooking to create a business in this wonderful country, or this city that I'm living in? And it dawned on me, like, I said it to my husband, Adam. So for those who don't know me, my name is, oh my god, that should have came at the earliest point in this video, but for some reason I'm just getting to it. My name is Nate Webb. I was at Johnson a few months ago, but in summer I got married to my soulmate, Adam. So you might, you know, you'll see his face in a few of my videos. Yeah, so I go by my new name is Webb now, actually. So I'm still trying to get used to it. I still type Nate Johnson very often, but you know, it's a work in progress. So yeah, my name is Nate. I am an English teacher in Japan. I've been here almost 2 years now. My husband and I, he has been here 3 years now. He came a little, you know, a few months before I did. What else? Yeah, we live and work in Japan. You know, what else about me? See, it's always tricky when people ask you to tell you about yourself. You're like, what about me? You know what? If you have any questions about me, just ask them in the comments, okay? I'll be sure to respond to those. But for right now, my name is Nate. I'm a Jamaican, 100%. We teach English here. We only cook Jamaican. We don't eat Japanese food. That's maybe another video, whole kind of thing. But yeah, anything else that you need to know, you know, I can't. I don't know anything about me right now, but yeah. So as I was saying, I discovered 2 passions this year that I am definitely going to be working on, because you see, they came to me when I wasn't looking, and that says something. So that's what I'll be doing, and this channel is the start of one of them. So basically, you can find here, I mean, I don't want to put myself in a niche just yet. I want to say lifestyle kind of videos, but I live in Japan. It's very strange to be a foreigner living in Japan, not speaking Japanese actually. So it will be a lot of different videos, you know, life as a foreigner here, daily home life, you know, makeup, skincare, clean with, you know, all the things. I don't want to put myself in, say, beauty, lifestyle, vlogging. It's a full package. It's a full package, full shebang kind of thing. Everything, all the things. Once I see content, I create it, I post it, you like it, you subscribe, you come back, and we just continue to build a little community. Okay? Thank you. So yeah, that's basically what this channel will be about. I do hope to reach as many persons as I can. I do hope whosoever my husband is giving me the jokes. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? So for those who always watch my Insta story, you know that my husband has all the jokes in the world. Okay? So he can just be standing and set his face a particular way, and I'll be dead on the floor, rolling. That's how he does that. That's what he's doing right now. So if I'm a little unfocused, call the police to him, or I don't know. But yeah, back to business. So yeah, I really hope that if you come, you stay, we build a little friendship, we build a little community, and we'll just have fun, you know. We'll just have fun. In terms of how often I post, I want to do it every week. I want to post every week, but as I said, I'm just starting out. I am not, you know, familiarized with all the YouTube shenanigans. I am just getting myself familiarized with an editing software. I'm still playing around with it a little bit, so it might take me a little while in the starting process of it all to really you know, get my editing together and Adam, stop, get my editing together and you know, post videos very often. But trust me, it is something I want to do, so I'll do it. Yeah, and now I think I don't have anything else to say. I'm actually going to film another video right now, so when you see it after this one, don't come at me for being in the same clothes, okay? I'll be wearing this same dress and I'll be doing that video right after this one, and it will go up on YouTube right after this one. Thank you. All right. So yeah, that's it for right now, guys. I hope to see you again. Please like, of course, please subscribe to my channel. Please give the video a thumbs up. I know it's the first one, but I mean, I think I have a vibe, don't you? If you do, hit the like button, because I know it helps grow the channel, you know, and I do want to grow. I'm trying to grow here. So yeah, like, subscribe, please comment, feel free to have conversations with me, you know. I'm here, I'm always on social media, all right? Basically, I'm always on social media, so I will respond, I will see, I will respond, all of that stuff. I know I'm out of breath, but I think I've said enough. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and I'm going to start practicing an outro of "Have a Natnificent Day." Natnificent. Yeah. Well, let's see how that goes, shall we? Okay, so guys, that's all for this video. I do hope to see you in my next one. Have a very happy new year, and yeah, bye.